Hello everyone. Let's continue the balanced book back answers. நம்ம நேற்று பார்த்தது வந்து இது வரைக்கும் பார்த்தோம், ப்ரிஃபிக்ஸ் அண்ட் சஃபிக்ஸ் வரைக்கும் பார்த்தோம். இன்றைக்கி வந்துட்டு பேஜ் நம்பர் 7ல் பேலன்ஸில் இருக்கிற fill in the blanks பார்க்கலாம். The announcement was made by the Department of Disaster Management. Answer வந்து disaster management. Widespread heavy rains are expected from early hours of Sunday. அதான் ஆன்சர். The public is asked to find out the locations of the closest flood shelter available and routers to reach them. இதுதான் இதுக்கான ஆன்சர். An emergency kit should contain water bottle, biscuit packets and a medical supplies or torchlight. A list of emergency telephone numbers should be displayed on the wall. Important documents can be secured by keeping them in a waterproof case. Damage to refrigerators can be avoided by emptying and leaving their doors open. Mobile phones should be charged to enable the marooned to contact their friends, relatives and emergency services. Sandbags should be placed in the toilet bowls to prevent sewage inflow. Sandbags தான் இதுக்கான ஆன்சர். Listen to the periodic news updates through your portable communication and follow the instruction implicitly. இதுதான் இதுக்கான ஆன்சர்ஸ். இப்போ நீங்கள் இதுக்கு ஸ்க்ரீன்ஷாட் வேணுன்னா எடுத்துக்கோங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்துட்டு டிராஃப்டிங் எ ஸ்பீச் இருக்குது. இது வந்து நான் கைடில் வந்து அப்புறமேட்டு உங்களுக்கு டேரெக்டாக போஸ்ட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி பார்க்குறேன். Next we will move on to the tenses grammar. First task என்னன்னா tick the correct option and complete the dialogue. இது வந்து பேஜ் நம்பர் 11ல் இருக்கு. Hello, what are you doing? Are you watching? Sorry. Are you watching the correct answer. A program about the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, which I recorded last night. I study about it this term. I study. This is the correct answer. All that I know about it is that hundreds of people had died in it. ஹைலைட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறது தான் ஆன்சர்ஸ். அதை வந்து நீங்கள் அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Yes, it was much worse than anyone had expected. It went on for hours. Do you want to watch the program with me? No thanks. I have got to do some Veena practice. I have just remembered that we have got a concert tomorrow and I don't have time to practice my new piece this week. Okay, I have already done my practice, so I have got time to watch TV. See you later. Take the screenshot. Task 2. Complete the sentence with the correct tense form of the verb in the bracket. ப்ராக்கெட்டில் இருக்க வெர்புக்கு கரெக்ட் டென்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் கொடுக்கணும்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு டெல்லுக்கு நம்ம டெல்லே டேரெக்டாக யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். டெல் மீ எக்ஸாக்ட்லி வாட் ஹேப்பனுக்கு ஹேப்பன்டு யூஸ் பண்ணணும். லாஸ்ட் நைட். மிஸ்டர் மகேஸ்வரி இஸ் மை மேக்ஸ் டீச்சர். ஷீ டீச் மீ ஃபார் 4 years. டீச்சுக்கு பதிலாக ஹேஸ் பீன் டீச்சிங் மீ ஃபார் 4 years யூஸ் பண்ணணும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஐ had never think பதிலாக had never thought of a career in medicine before I spoke to my biology teacher, but I am seriously considering it. Okay. Oh no, I forgetக்கு பதிலாக forgot யூஸ் பண்ணணும். To bring my assignment. What am I going to do? This is the second time I do this. Have done. I do பதிலாக have done யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா. I can't remember what my teacher said yesterday about our homework. I did not listen properly because Hussein was talking to me at the same time. Talk bala was talking, not listen bala did not listen ponnu. Last year we went on a school trip. Gok bala went ponnu to Kanyakumari. We had a very interesting time. Have bala had. At the moment I think I am thinking ponnu. I am thinking, think balat, I am thinking about what course to pursue next year, but I have not made a final decision yet. இன்ன வரைக்கும் decision அதாவது சாரி நாட் மேக்கு பதிலாக have not madeன்னு போடணும். I get up at 7 every morning, but this morning I sleepுக்கு பதிலாக slept for a long time and I did not get up until 8. Take one screenshot. Next, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb in the brackets. Everyone was sleeping when the earthquake hit the small town. அதாவது இந்த ப்ராக்கெட்டில் இருக்கிறதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி நம்ம இங்கே போடணும். டென்சஸ் ஓகேவா? Evangeline quit or quitted her job a couple of years ago. Where did you spend your last holidays? Okay, you spend bala did you spend? Leave bala will leave is leaving போடலாம். I think Suresh will leave for Tiruvallur next morning. I think Suresh is leaving for Tiruvallur next morning. ரெண்டு வகையில் இந்த சென்டென்ஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணலாம். I was angry that I had made such a mistake. My mother was tired yesterday because she had not slept well that night before. Okay. Screenshot வேணா எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Her parents will be in Coimbatore for 2 weeks from today. Nothing much happened when I got to the meeting. Happened bala happened ponnu. Scientists predict that by 2050 man will land on Mars. Will land ponnu. Shh, someone is listening to our conversation. Listen bala listening is listening ponnu. The plane will take off in a few minutes. Will take ponnu. They were talking about me when I interrupted their conversation. Talk bala were talking ponnu. Justin and his parents are living in an apartment right now because they can't find a cheap house. Rajini Prem's family is in Chengalpattu now. Yusuf goes to the movie once in a while. This has been an easy quiz so far. Our team did not win any games last year. We saw a wonderful film at the cinema last night. Hurry up, the movie had already begun.